Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Cash App debit card onto the Apple Wallet as well as to the Google Wallet. So we are over here on the Cash App main page, and what we actually want to do is click on the debit card icon, which is the second from the left. And if we go in here, this is going to take us to our cash card. If you don't have already ordered, this is gonna be the area that tells you to go ahead and order your free debit card. But if you already have one ordered, you are gonna see option right here that says add card to Apple Pay. So if we click on here, it's gonna go through and it's gonna ask us whether we wanna do it through our regular or our Apple Watch. We are going to click the top option. So you will see here it says add your card. So your card will be available in the wallet. It's just gonna verify your name and then the last four digits of the card that you have. If everything looks good, we can hit the next button on the top right, and of course here it's gonna have terms and conditions you can go through, and if you agree with everything, on the bottom right there's the agree button. There is the agree button, and right here it's gonna ask if you want to set the Cash App card as your default card. If you tend to use the Cash App card quite a bit, you can go ahead and use that as a default. If not, you can hit not now, and then right over here it's going to have added. It says remember your pin is the same one as the one you use in the app, which you can also change if needed to. You can click on done, and then you can see right there our card is now added to our Apple Wallet, which I'm going to go ahead and jump over to. So now we are in the Apple Wallet. You can see at the very top it says Cash App. So if we click on here, right there we have our Cash App card on our Apple Wallet. Again, this will also work with Google Wallet. Then what we will do is we'll just double check on the side there. If you have that right Face ID, it will go ahead and go in and allow you to pay through Apple Pay, which makes it really easy. Don't forget to add that boost feature on there as well, so that way you can get some extra bonuses when going to different places to utilize the Cash App card. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.